So after hard work, sweat, and tears, we got the Corolla primered. Obviously, I didn't do it. That's why I didn't record it. But hey, we got it somewhere. Interior still looks like crap, but hey, it's all about the outside, guys. Who cares about the interior, right? Window's gonna get replaced next week, so that's one up. I probably gotta remove everything right there. Dash. I gotta fix the blower motor. I gotta fix that right there. That's that over there. Gotta take that off. I gotta take this off right here and put the new one on. Well, it's used, but it's not broken and ripped apart, and because they pretty much were jump starting it through there. So we got that. I got the windows to roll up and down. I welded the window regulators, each tooth separately. There's a couple of videos of that, but I need to replace the little tabs that go on the levers for the door to open it from the inside. Apparently you actually need those. They actually do something. So I gotta replace those plastic ones. I bought them online. They're like $1 or something. I bought like 4 of them because, you know, in case we have to remove them again and they break. Well, that's about it. Oh, and I installed the door handles. It works now. I can open it from the outside. Got keys, got new key locks for it. And that's what's going on right now. I gotta figure out what thread the shifter is and then weld probably a bolt to it so I can figure out what shifter to put on because it's broken. I didn't know that. I'm gonna upholster the seats. I got myself a old school Singer machine. Yep, 1960s. And I did some Googling and I got the mirror ordered. I'm just waiting to whenever they send me the shipping information, but I got it from Japan. I got the other side, the right side, because it doesn't come with the right side, so I ordered a new one. Well, I used the one right side. Pretty cheap. It was $25 when people sell them for like $200 over here in the States, but the shipping is like $50. But that don't matter. I'd rather pay $75 than $200. So that's about it, guys. And obviously I got to do some custom panels and we'll be good. I mean, slowly, but here we go, man. And that's it, guys. So please like and subscribe because I'm tired of working, man. I need some money. I'm just kidding. Whatever you guys want to like or not. Hey, but I'm going to keep you guys posted. And if I do anything next, for sure. Well, I'm going to probably do the ignition for sure right now. So I'm going to record myself doing that. So we're here, guys. So they installed the aftermarket steering wheel. It looks like they tried to remove this one and they broke it for sure. But it is 4mm Allen wrench. And wish me luck because it looked pretty rough. Man, you know, aftermarket stuff. We're learning, guys. We're learning all that. Yeah, I didn't even have to unscrew that. Look at that, guys. Professional. Technically, I didn't have to remove this. I'm smart. I need a steering puller. Nice. It would be nice if it just came off, right? Turn it to 11. Still don't know what this is for. Probably to center the steering wheel, yeah, because it just dropped down. Oh, look at that. Didn't even have to pull that. Didn't even require the pull. Why didn't you guys tell me about that? Oh, damn it, guy. What are you guys watching for? If you guys are not going to come up, just kidding. We didn't require this yet. My God, it was so easy. I barely put any freaking pressure and it popped out. And you already know who sponsors me with my local auto parts. My boy Carlos Blanco Castillo, the fan. Shout out to the homie. Even though he doesn't talk to me no more because, you know, he's too cool for me now. Just kidding. So I bought this on eBay for $100. Shout out to the seller. Did a good job packaging and everything. It's in good condition. Came with the key too, original key, but I got a new ignition, so I'm gonna use the new ignition for it. This one kind of slides out already. Okay. But the old one is pretty much, they tore this apart here and pretty much tore this apart, and I can't put this back on. So like, damn it. They took this off, so I can't turn it or anything. Take that one, this one, 10mm in the back. But I don't think I'm gonna be able to. Oh, never mind. It's just a pull. I knew that. I knew that, guys. Don't judge me. We gotta remove the nut. We gotta remove the nut. No, we don't. Hopefully, it's just these 3 in it. Slides out. Well, let's hope so. Still want to redo the dash for sure. Probably do. I've seen some videos where the guys redo them and stuff. I'll probably do that. I gotta figure out if I like probably make one of these. Gotta get into scanning, more 3D scanning, so I can learn how to do all that stuff. Gotta redo the blower motor for the heater because it doesn't work. He circ and the heater warm doesn't move at all because he canceled it. This works, enough works, reserve works, but I gotta fix that stuff. Not yet. Oh, it has a C-clip. Oh, okay. Come on, dang it. Get some of these right here. It will probably work. I got this little kit. I think I posted it on my other videos. I got it on Amazon. You could like this somehow. There you go. It's coming out. Oh, they're coming. This right here is what locks the steering wheel, and they took it off of, as you can see, so I couldn't use it. This is my new ignition. It's easy. All you do is press there, turn the key, and it should come out just like